Hey everyone, so now I'll be explaining you how you can create a binary compile package. Okay, as we did it in last. Okay, what we did, we created a package. Okay, inside that we created a module with the inside a package an empty file of Mojo within it. Okay, once we have the package there, then what you need to do is go to this add the lecture. Okay, so over here on your terminal, just type it this command. So type it mojo package package name, okay, hyphen o, and package name dot mojo pkg is a packaged. Okay, once you create that, then it will create. Once you hit enter, you'll see a binary file of the package name that you gave it here. So for me, you can see it here. There's the full name, Mojo class, Mojo package for me, and from this full name, we have the module, as you can see it here, module, and inside module we have full name structure, and you can use it here. Why we are creating this packages, right? And what's its importance? So packages in a Mojo are those where they have everything inside that, so they are independent of anything. Okay, and that can directly be used for everywhere, wherever you want it. And so yeah, another way to import a package, right? So right now what we are doing package, then package means we are giving it package name, then module name, then what we are importing it, right? But later we can use it like this directly, the package name, and import the module, right? So it's very cool to use it. To create this, simple thing you need to do is this: in package, in init, you need to create like this, or type it in a init, where just added the module name dot module, and it's what we want to import it here, and that can be directly used in here, you see. And maybe I can run it here for you. So mojo 9 compile, you see, we got perfect answer. Okay, cool. I hope you liked it. Next I'll be explaining you about how we can import or use algorithm library of Mojo. After that, we'll be explaining you about overloading function and how we can create Python object and other things. So I hope you liked it. See you in the next